Log into Router 1. The following are of importance to this lab. There are 5 OSPF external E2 routes. These routes correspond to these 5 external LSAs. There are also 2 inter-area paths to the network 10.2.2.0/29. Currently, Router 1 has full visibility of the inter-area and external routes. This is of importance for manipulating path selection to control traffic patterns. But there are times where the full visibility is undesired or unnecessary. In the case of the external routes, this is unnecessary. The reason is that all the external routes share the same next hop. There is only one way to the external networks. Router 1 cannot make path selections for externals with only one option, so there's no reason to maintain them in the routing table. In this case, it would make sense to have only one default route to the external networks. This is where the stub area type becomes useful. The ABR connected to a stub network does not advertise Type 5 LSAs into the stub. No Type 5 means no visibility of external networks. Instead, a default route is advertised by the ABR. Change Area 1 to a stub network with the command Area 1 stub under the OSPF process. The command is required on all routers within and connected to the stub. Return to Router 1 and view the RIB. The external networks are gone, and there is a default route. Currently, Router 1 can make a path decision for the inter-area network, so the visibility is necessary. But what if there is only one path, just like with the external routes? On Router 1, shut down interface gig 00 towards Router 2. Router 1 now only has one path to the inter-area network. A stub area removes visibility of external routes. But if visibility to inter-area is to be removed, you need to configure a totally stubby area. Within a totally stubby area, there is no visibility of external or inter-area networks. An ABR connected to a totally stubby area does not advertise Type 3 or Type 5 LSAs into the totally stubby area. Well, that's a small lie. The default route injected into the stub and totally stubby area corresponds to a Type 3 LSA. To configure a totally stubby area, add the no summary command to the end of the area stub command, only on the ABR. Stub means no Type 5 external LSAs, and no summary adds the Type 3 summary LSA to the not allowed list. Check the RIB. There are no inter-area or external networks present. Just a default that corresponds to this one Type 3 LSA.